Hey everyone, it's Handy Humberto here, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Gemma flush mount. Lately we've been noticing some similar products being sold for much less on the market, which makes us wonder, what kind of value are you really getting for your money? Here with me today, I have this similar looking item sold at a much lower price point. And we're going to be doing a quick comparison between the Gemma flush mount and this low quality competition. One of the main advantages of the Gemma flush mount over this low quality competitor is that the Gemma flush mount is UL approved, and there are certain components in its build structure that make it so. For example, if we take a look at the top of the canopy, we can see this giant insulation pad. This insulation pad protects your house from heat and fire hazards. The low quality competitor on the left, well, looks like it's missing. If we take a look at the wires used in the Gemma, these wires are rated for higher temperatures and are each individually insulated. In addition to that, the connections used to put these wires together are also insulated. If we look at the low quality competitor on the left, well, these wires are a little unsafe. In addition, they like to use tape to connect their wires together. The crystals that line the shade of the Gemma are each individually linked by hand using these very nice decorative links. The ones on the competing item, well, they use this very strange stud. Now the crystals for the Gemma are much smaller in comparison to the competing item. However, we feel that this is a much more proportionate size and gives the fixture a better overall look. In addition to that, these crystals come pre-assembled right out of the box. The competing item? Well, let's just say you're going to have a great time putting these together. And that concludes our quick comparison video. Buy your Gemma today!